just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. I wonder who it's from.
When they play this, they gon' say that it's a vibe. They gon' hate you when you pull up in that drive. They gon' hate you when you pullin' up that nine. It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
So my phone is on 10%, which means it's gonna die really quick. So here is the unboxing. Oh crap. This thing is, ooh, it smells funny, but you know, that's okay. They're pretty huge. And these are gonna go up on this wall, right there. I am very surprised by the size. Well, I don't know why I'm surprised by the size. Probably because, you know, I didn't use a measuring tape. I just bought. I actually got this idea from Alyssa Forever. And I had thought about it before. I just didn't know where to get the stuff from. And I didn't know what it was called. But shout out to Alyssa Forever for, I guess, putting this in her house and making a video about it, because she could have did it in secret and I would have never known where to get the stuff from. But I've been trying to figure out what to do with this wall for some time now. And yeah, now I know what I want to do with it. I think this is gonna look so cute. Like a plant wall, a living wall. Who y'all know that who has a living wall in their freaking home, apartment, like whatever you want to call it? Like, I live in an apartment, but who do you know has a living wall in their home? But it's supposed to come with 12 squares. I think it's at 20 by 20 inches. I'm not really sure, but this is dope. This is dope. This is so dope. This is dope. This is dope. Yeah, and I also forgot to mention that each box comes with these little cable ties. They come with 100 of the cable ties in each of the little packaging. I feel like I'm gonna use these. I'm gonna use these on the corners because I've noticed that the corners of my wall, it left like a little gap, and I need to secure it so it can look seamless. So I also bought some push pins so that I can secure squares on my wall. When I watched Alyssa Forever's video, she used a staple gun and some staples. Your girl ain't wanna have to buy no staple gun, and I sure ain't wanna have to buy no staples to match. So I just went on ahead and I bought some affordable push pins. I got 100 for like $2. And you know, I'm about to live my best life, and I'm about to put up my wall, and I'm about to be doing a damn thing. But yeah. So let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so don't try this at home, kids, but your girl is using a chair. I probably should be using a ladder, but a chair is all I had, so that's what we're rolling with today. Putting this stuff up, y'all, it was very simple. It was very easy. What made it even easier is that they have these little clasps on each one of the squares that you could just use to fasten one square to the next. So after I fastened the little squares together, I literally only just used the push pins to secure it to the wall because they were already stuck together by the clasp, but the push pins just secured it to the wall. And they have like these little grids on the back of the panels. I just literally stuck the push pin through the little panels. If you buy it, you'll see what I'm talking about. But I stuck the push pins through it, and it stayed up there, and I was very happy with the outcome. It's starting to look so good, y'all. I'm telling you, y'all definitely need to put this into y'all's homes because this is bomb. Is that the second package? We've been able to complete this much, but with the final piece, we'll be able the first one did not fill up the entire wall as I expected. So I ordered a second one, hoping that it will complete the masterpiece. And look at it. Yay! And I'm so happy because I can complete my wall now. They actually came by pretty fast. Like, each box I ordered, they came like 2 days later, which is crazy. I didn't pay for any extra shipping or anything. They just like came really, really quickly. It said it come like a week. What was it? Like a week from the time that I ordered, but it came in like 2 days. Like literally, they both came in 2 days. So if you want one of these, you need to order it. I have the link in my description box so you guys can go out and purchase it. Like, it looks so good. Like, I wish I could see it in person. It looks so good, and I'm really happy. And I know that it's gonna create the look that I want. I already know. Like, I already see it. My living room is about to be bam. So here we go, y'all. I'm back at it. I'm lit. I'm turned because I'm ready to complete this thing. It already looks good right now, and I just can't wait till I'm finished. Y'all, I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm basically doing the same thing that I did before, clasping them together and securing them with the push pins. Like I said, this process was very easy. It was painless. The only pain I'm having, y'all, my fingers hurt. Like, pushing the push pins into the freaking wall hurt my freaking fingers. My little thumbs, like, they're crying. They're crying right now, but y'all can't tell because, you know, I'm a hard worker. I'm moving fast. Don't y'all see how fast I'm moving? I'm just getting it. Probably because I'm ready for this thing to be finished, but once I finished the bottom, I stood up, I took a step back, and I had to admire my beautiful artwork, y'all. But as I was looking at it, I noticed that the left side, the part where there isn't any greenery, I noticed that it was a little bit thicker than the right side. So I basically had to whip out my measuring tape, I whipped out my childproof scissors, and I basically had to make sure both sides were equal so the look can be aesthetically pleasing. So all I did was I flipped over one of the panels and I just basically followed the grid on the back so it could help me cut into a straight line, because if I had to do that on my own, like, y'all, it would have been all kinds of ugly. Like, it would not have been cute at all. So once I got everything situated, got it in the spot that I wanted, I did notice, like, once I took another look, I noticed that on the left side, all the way closest to the other wall, I noticed that there was a space, and I'm pretty sure if you're looking at it, you probably noticed it too. I basically did the same thing. I just cut some more pieces, and I just followed the line down the wall and just placed them where they needed to go. But y'all, are y'all seeing this? Because I'm not sure if y'all are seeing what I'm seeing. This is looking amazing, and I'm so excited about it. Y'all have no idea. Like, I'm serious. Y'all need to recreate this, and whenever y'all do, please, I'm begging you, please tag me in this, because I'm trying to see what y'all got going on. Also, if you've gotten this far into the video, I just wanted to let you know that you are a real one. So let's get back to my fingers. Honey child, my fingers are hurting, y'all. Like, I'm in pain. But that ain't gonna stop me, because I want to see this finished look, and I also know y'all want to see this finished look, because it's looking amazing, y'all. Okay, so tell me this. Who do y'all know that has a wall like this in their home? Nobody, other than Alyssa Forever, because that's who, you know, I got the idea from. But other than that, who else you know? Nobody. You don't know nobody else doing this. Anytime you've seen something like this, you've seen this probably like at a video shoot, at a wedding, maybe a baby shower. You might have seen this at a mall, outside a restaurant, but y'all ain't seen this in nobody's house. And if you do know anybody, please please tag me on Instagram. Also, let me know if it's your auntie, your uncle, whoever you know that is doing this. Please let me know in the comments. And another thing, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead, give your girl a thumbs up. Like the video for me. I'm gonna need you to also comment, love it, because I know you love it. And I'm gonna need you to subscribe to your girl. Turn that notification bell on so you can get notified anytime I post a video. And guys, I know I'm asking for a lot, but I do need you to do me one more favor. I need you to go to Alyssa Forever's channel. I'll have the link in the description box. I need you to go check out her video. Let her know that you've seen my video and now you're watching her video. I also need you to let her know on Instagram that you've seen both of our work and you love it, because like I said, this video was inspired by her. It's 2019, y'all. We gotta step our home decor game up. Like, for real. We can't stay at a level 10. We have to get to a level 100. And we need to take that with our everyday life. We don't need to be at a level 10. We need to be at 100 at all times so we can be our best selves. We need to strive to be the best versions of ourselves. I'm striving right now to have my home decor be at its all-time high. I want it to be popping. I want it to be the best. And it will be. And I suggest you do the same. Some of us like for our place to feel like a home. And whenever I walk in, I want to be proud. I want to be like, dang, I live here. This is my place. Any one of you guys trying to come over, y'all are invited. OMG, we're almost to the finish line, y'all. The only thing I have left to do is basically just secure the corners with those zip ties that I was telling y'all about, and that is it. After this, I'm like done. I'm like so done. And oh my gosh, I can't wait for you guys to see the finished product. I'm telling you, you're definitely gonna love it. I know you love it now, but wait till it's complete. Is everyone ready? Before, after. Oh my gosh, guys, look at it. It looks so freaking good. Guys, I'm so satisfied with this project. Every single time I look at it, it makes me smile. But thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate you for joining me today. All I ask is you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.